Switching to flyer. AQ, we are proceeding with caution. Moving to perimeter.
Command, be advised, visibility is low. We are proceeding with the revised grid search immediately.
Get me eyes on that last known position now. I want a drone feed immediately.
Running analysis on the anomaly in Sector 4. The signal is completely gone.
Pathfinder 1-1, still negative contact on the target. Visibility remains low due to fog and rain.
All units, synchronize search patterns on the new grid.
All units, expand the search grid to the northeast sector.
Roger that. Expanding grid northeast.
Apache 2-9er, confirm receipt.
Acknowledged. Switching to flyer. HQ, we are proceeding with caution.
A heat signature near the river. Stand by for updates.
Target acquired.
All units adjusting search grid to Sector 4-9er. Keep those lights low.
Roger that. Switching to infrared.
Roger that. Moving to secure the perimeter.
Action team, we are on the ground. Wreckage confirmed.
016, we are at the wreckage. Confirming Apache down.
Over.
Base, this is Sierra 2 actual. The Guardian is down hard. Fuselage compromised, rotor assembly damaged, cockpit is a total loss. No survivors accounted for. Over.
This is Sierra 6. We have located the crash site. The Apache is heavily damaged. Rotor blades appear compromised. No sign of the pilot. Over. Base, this is Rescue 1. We are initiating assessment. Request tighter orbit from air support. Over. Pilot reports stable hover. Team B, confirm hooks are secured.
Hook secured. Approaching the target.
Hookup complete. Pilot, apply gentle tension. We are secure up top. Okay, connection secure. Ready for tensioning on your mark.
Starboard side, watch the clearance.
Roger that, easy now. We're almost clear of the deck.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised. The delamination extends further inboard than we initially assessed.
Severed, we need a full schematic.
And the main strut on the landing gear has multiple fractures.
Check the structural integrity here on the tail boom. Got it. Looks like a catastrophic.
Check the main rotor assemble stress points.
Looks completely sheared off here.
adjustment on the collective. How's the torque look?
Stable at 90%, airspeed increasing.